Everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw Bluey, and she's dressed up in a bunny costume for Easter. All right, let's get started. Let's start with Bluey's body. Now I'm going to start in the middle of my paper, and Bluey has a rectangular shaped body with curved edges. Next, let's work on Bluey's face. So Bluey has her face kind of poking through this costume. So I'm going to draw a line going across, down. It's going to curve around and back up. Next, I'm going to draw Bluey's eye. So I'm going to draw a big oval shape for one eye. And then next I'm going to draw Bluey's nose because I have to draw the nose and then the other eye will come behind it. So we're going to draw a line going across and down and around. And then we can draw Bluey's nose, which is a triangle shape right at the end. Now to draw Bluey's other eye, we're going to start right here and do an oval shape that's kind of hiding behind her nose. And then we can draw the inside of her eye. All right, now let's draw the bottom of Bluey's mouth. So I'm going to start right here on the left eye, and we're going to draw a line that's going to go down around her mouth and connect. And then Bluey also has a little blue line that kind of outlines her mouth like that. Then I'm going to jump up top here and draw little jelly bean shapes for Bluey's eyebrows. All right, now pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, we're going to keep going. Now Bluey's bunny costume has two big ears. So let's jump up top and we're going to draw two big ears. Then I'm going to make that same line on the inside of the ears. All right, next I'm going to draw Bluey's arms. And now this arm, I'm going to start right kind of near the bottom of the face. We're going to draw a line going out and another line going out. And then we'll make her fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now this arm is going to be holding a basket. So we're going to do the same thing. Draw two lines going out. And then draw her fingers. And these fingers are going to be just a little different. We're going to draw three little oval shapes since she's holding a basket. All right, next I'm going to draw Bluey's legs. So I'm going to start here on the bottom left and draw a line going down and another line going down. And then we'll draw her feet. Great, now I'm going to draw 2 lines for Bluey's toes. Now let's jump over here to make the other leg. So we're going to draw 2 lines going down. And then a curved line for her feet. And then 2 lines for the toes. Perfect. All right, next I'm going to jump over here to her hand and we're going to draw her Easter basket. So I'm going to start underneath the hand and draw a curved line for the top of the basket. And then draw a line going down, over, and up. And then to make the handle, I'm going to start on the left. And the handle is going to go right up to her hand and then out on the other side. And then I'm going to make this basket look like a bunny. So I'm going to make an ear on this side, and we'll make a little ear on this side. And I'm going to make a little bunny face. But you can decorate this basket any way that you would like. And then on the inside, I'm going to draw some oval shapes for eggs. All right, next I'm going to add some more details to my drawing. So I'm going to give Bluey some details on her costume. I'm going to draw a rainbow shape, just like that. And then draw some stripes going across. And I'm going to do those same lines up top for her ears. And they don't have to be perfect. And then I think I'm going to add some Easter eggs on the ground. And you can decorate these eggs any way that you like. I think I'm going to add some stripes to this one. And maybe some squiggly lines on this one. And then one more over here. And we'll add some polka dots on this one. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our Easter Bluey looks adorable. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.